and making shapes and types of foods with it. Let's open it.
Yes.
Whoa, it's an apple.
Yeah, apple. I want to make a pizza.
Oh, there's bread and banana shapes.
And what's the pizza?
And grapes. Look,
What's the pizza?
I'm going to it. Oh, look it.
The apple, the slice.
Whoa.
What is that?
I don't know.
The pizza?
Oh, it's a rolling pin, yeah. Look at the rolling pin, guys. It's so tiny.
I want this.
Let's open them. Let's open them.
What about the Play-Doh?
No way. I'm gonna open it when we're done with this.
Got it, guys.
Is it easy to open it? No.
Come out.
Okay, got it. Finally. Oh!
Open.
Just bite it with your teeth.
Open it, feel me.
Here, I can help you.
I want the Play-Doh. Oh, this is the cutter. For the pizza.
Cutter. Look it, guys. This is the thing to cut your pizza.
Yeah. Oh, this is the pizza. I found it.
Guys, look how many colors there are. Purple, blue, green,
Yeah.
orange.
I want to do orange on my pizza.
Well, there's a lot of colors. Look at
I want that one, the red one.
Let's put the garbage right here.
Let's get all the Play-Dohs out. I'm gonna get a plate. Mom, this is my plate, guys. Look at it. Now, what is this?
Can you help me, George?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Plus,
Super strong.
I got this, guys.
What color is that, George?
Red.
Yeah, it's good. This is a green color.
Yep.
This is...
Purple.
Yeah, good job.
I know all the colors. Oh!
Oh.
Red.
Then what's this color?
White.
Yeah, good job. What's this color? I think it's yellow. Yeah.
Yellow.
Okay. Let's make our food, Georgie.
Ah.
No.
No.
Here.
No Play-Doh.
Just take it out with your hand. Here, just take it out with your hand like this.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make pizza.
Hey, that was mine.
Okay, fine. I'll make cherries. Yes.
Okay, cherry.
Can I borrow some red, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just pick one. Okay,
Here,
take
that's enough.
Why?
Here, because my cherries are small. I'm gonna make a good food.
And me too. I'm gonna make pizza, yummy pizza.
Yeah.
You know I like pizza. Pizza my favorite, guys. And what's your favorite food?
My pizza too.
Come out. Scoop it up. I'm gonna scoop it up.
Here, use this. No.
That's not a scooper.
Now let's
Take
take it out.
Take it with the scooper. These are for the pizza cutter.
Guys, look at my cherries. Yum, they look delicious. I'm gonna put them on my plate. Look at that.
I'm getting some pizza.
Okay, I'm picking up the extras. Putting them where you...
Hey,
Okay, what else can I make? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make
now we're red.
purple.
There we go.
There. Hey.
I need the roller to spin my pizza.
My brother really likes pizza.
Yeah, I like it.
I need green. Need a little green.
I mean, yeah.
I'm gonna take it out now. I'm so scared.
Pizza time. Hey, look at this, guys. So look at it like a word.
Oh no, my grape is squished.
Ah, my God.
My grape got squished. Oops.
Oh no.
Poor grape.
We gotta fix it up.
Well, it's fine.
Yeah, we can make a new one.
Yeah, but I'll put it back.
Take this off.
Okay, I'm just gonna use Bella to make bananas.
I'm not done with my pizza.
That's a big pizza. Look at that, guys. That's a big pizza right there.
Hey, what are you doing?
Well, they're looking at your pizza.
Oh no, it's louder. Yummy. Pizza's good.
Guys, do you know what the color
Is
Do you know what color is?
best. All done, guys. Look at my pizza. Now let's get it off. Come on, pizza. My pizza's not coming out.
Probably you guys got him scared. He's like, oh no, I don't want to go with him.
I'm rolling my pizza. It looks tasty, guys.
Look at my bananas. Yellow and fresh.
Get over here.
I'm making fruit. I'm gonna make a green apple.
Come on, pizza.
Like cap.
Pizza.
Okay, want help?
Yeah. Don't ruin my pizza.
Look at that pizza, guys. You
Oh,
gotta
look
say
at this
wow.
pizza, guys. This looks good.
Here, put it on your
Yeah, really good pizza. No, this is my pizza plate.
plate. Put it, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yummy pizza, guys. Look
Cut
it.
it in half and then bake it.
I will cut it with this.
Okay.
That works. Look at my pizza,
Whoa.
guys. Guys, look at my pizza. It looks good. I'm gonna cut it in half. Guys, no play with this. This is really sharp, right?
It's a toy.
Yeah, it's a toy.
But in real life, do not play with those because you can cut your hands.
Yeah. Okay, my pizza's done. Look at that lummy pizza, guys. I cut it in half. How the other pizzas?
I used too way much green on that side. Okay, I think it's gonna fit.
Look at this yummy
Go,
pizza.
wait, go back. Ah, wait.
Don't really.
No, just put it. Ah, okay, have to wait. Please turn out good. Please turn out good. It did it!
Haha. Oh, maybe it didn't work. Look at my yummy pizza's good. Comment down. Who's better food?
Yeah.
Sky's or mine? Mine looks good. No, mine's better. Don't listen to her. He's gonna trick you, guys.
Don't listen to him.
No, I'm not gonna trick you. I'm nice.
George. Okay, the green apple turned out bad.
Bad.
Stop copying me. I'm gonna make a better pizza than his, guys.
No way.
I'm gonna teach you how to make a homemade pizza. with Playdoh.
No.
Okay.
Guys, look at my pizza.
Crust
It's
on the
good.
side. guys.
Yummy. You want some?
Hey George, can you destroy your pizza?
Huh?
So I have some.
No, sorry, I ran out.
Please.
I ran out.
George, please share.
Come out, pizza. I like you. Yo, it's really good. Yummy. You're good, pizza.
That looks delicious.
Yeah. Now let's take a bite with you.
I'm making the crust for my pizza. Play-Doh pizza.
Come out.
Ah.
I got it, guys. It's out. Yummy pizza, guys.
Oh, look at that pizza, guys. Wow, that looks delicious.
It's not better than yours.
Mine's better. It's a little more yellow right there. Okay,
Look at
is
this
the
pizza.
crust. Can I borrow some bread? Please.
I ran out.
Here, just cut a piece for me because I want to eat some of this pizza, guys. Look at this pizza. Oh, it smells so good.
There's only one, okay?
Oh, look at that pizza.
I have a lot. Okay, guys, I go make watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon green, so you just go. Here, give me the red.
Give me the money.
Watermelon, here, let's share.
Okay, I take
Watermelon,
one.
you don't have to, don't mix the colors.
Why? Okay.
You can mix the colors a little. What's hitting my leg?
This is green, guys. I go make, green pizza. Check it out, guys. Oh, look at this. It's soft.
Guys! Oh my god, look at my pizza, guys. You gotta go. You gotta go for my team.
No, my team.
Go for Sky's team, guys. Look at that pizza.
No, go to my team.
No.
My team is better.
No, guys, please don't go to his team.
Yeah, please, please. Please.
Look at that pizza. So delicious, right,
And
guys?
soft.
Look, with bananas, cherries, yum. You will like it. Now, for the final touch, I'm gonna make grapes.
My apple's gonna be good. Mine's gonna be red with green.
Okay. Look at the scrapes, guys. Look at those. Yeah. On my pizza plates, I'm gonna make sandwiches for them.
And close this up.
I'm gonna make better food than his food, guys. Please comment down.
Cut this off. Oh, get off. Guys, comment below I can't cut this.
Okay, guys.
My pizza's not done. It cut off.
What happened?
Get off.
Yum. Look at that bread. Yum. Flat and squeezy.
Can you open this for me? Suck.
Okay. Well, that's it for our show, guys.
No!
Okay,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
make like this.
my brother's over here. Here, I'm just gonna cut the pizza for you. I'm gonna cut it.
I'm gonna make an apple.
Perfect. Okay, perfect slice. Bye, pizza. No, I don't want to cut it, but I have to. The crust fell off. Ah! I have to fix it. Oh, look at that pizza right there. It looks like a real pizza. Okay, I think that's it for the video,
No, I
guys.
didn't start mine.
It's fine. Stay with me. Okay, that's
will
it
cut
for
my
the video,
apple.
guys. I hope you like it, friends. So bye.
Yummy! Look at this apple.